Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a high quality hose nozzle, then this one from Twinkle Star is a great option. These twist valve hose nozzles are awesome. They are so heavy duty. They are made from brass and they feel solid. When you attach them to the end of your hose, you can tell that these are really strong and durable and gonna last a long time. With that twist valve function, you can see that they have several settings of the stream of water, anything from a high pressured stream to a fine mist, and there is an on-off valve right at the nozzle, so you don't have to run back to your spigot to turn the water off and on. It's right there at your fingertips, and it works so well, and it is definitely leak-free. No matter what we're using the hose for, we have found that this nozzle has done an awesome job. So whether we are trying to delicately water some freshly planted grass, or we are trying to get some dirt off the driveway or off of our cars, this nozzle has a setting and a range that can do all of those things. So it comes with 2 hose nozzles, 2 of the valves, and also extra of the rubber washers. So I love the design of this. I think it is solid and heavy duty and has definitely exceeded our expectations. So we've been super impressed with both the quality and the function of this hose nozzle. I would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.